don't worry, you are still in the App Center course. Right now, I am showing you this page because throughout this lecture, I'm going to show you how I said that you can install the command line interface tools for App Center on your computer. But for us to be able to do that, we're going to need Node.js. So I know it is pretty much an unrelated tool to this course, but you will have to come here to nodejs.org/download, and of course the URL is going to be in the resources for this lecture, and download the installer for your machine. It's going to be a very straightforward installation, but once you are ready, you're going to be able to come here over to the terminal, execute node-v, and see the version of Node that you have installed. As long as this version is 8 or higher, you can install the CLI tools for App Center. So, alright, as soon as you have this installed, then you will be able to execute npm, which is going to be the package manager that will allow us to install the required tools for this course, and run the install command. The tool that we're going to be installing with this G flag is going to be appcenter-CLI. Execute this, and that's it. Of course, everything is going to be executed as expected, but now the App Center CLI is going to be available on your system. Again, it is going to be this command line interface, the one that we will use to upload our tests. So once this tool has been added, as we see over here, right now version 1.2, the thing that we should do first and foremost is to log in with our App Center credentials. Of course, this App Center CLI is going to enable us to execute all kinds of App Center services, one of them very related to this section, but precisely because we're going to be executing App Center services, we need to authenticate ourselves, so App Center knows who we are and where should it be executing things. And to do that, all we have to do is execute App Center login. I'm just going to say that yes, I want to enable telemetry, but this command is going to open a new window where you're going to be able to find a token. So I am going to copy this token. I can close the window now, navigate back to the terminal, and paste the code in here. And there you go. Congratulations, you have just logged in with your App Center credentials here on the CLI. Perfect. We have authenticated ourselves. We have installed the App Center CLI with the help of Node and its package manager. Now we are ready to start uploading the tests. Of course, right now we have no tests ready, so in the next lecture, we're going to start to create those tests in our project so we can later upload them over to App Center. Just additionally and very quickly, to test that everything is running smoothly, you can also just run App Center profile list to show information about the user that has just logged in. Just as a sanity check that you are indeed logged in and that App Center is actually working, you will be able to see your username, your display name, and the email that of course is related to that App Center account that you have just used to log in. So perfect. App Center is ready. Now let's jump over to the next lecture.